Ever found yourself about to click order now, reach for that cookie, or binge scroll late at night and instantly regretted it? What if you could just hit pause for 10 minutes? Let me introduce you to the 10-minute rule. Here's how it works. Before giving in to any craving or impulse, big or small, you just wait 10 minutes. That's it. You're not saying never, you're just giving yourself permission to decide later, not act now. This isn't about punishing yourself. It's about creating a tiny buffer between your impulse and your action. Pause. Wait. Decide. So why does this actually work? Scientists talk about delayed gratification. The famous marshmallow experiment from the 70s showed kids who resisted an immediate treat ended up with better self-control and life outcomes. As adults, anytime we practice a small delay like 10 minutes, we're flexing the same self-control muscle. Better SAT scores, healthier weight, stronger impulse control. These all link back to that skill. Think of temptations like ocean waves. They rise up fast, peak, then crash on the shore and fade. Research by Nicole Mead showed people who just postponed their cravings ate way fewer M&Ms than those who tried fighting the urge head-on, letting the urge pass on its own terms. That's actually stronger than trying to resist with brute force. Let's talk real life. You want to scroll social media? Pause for 10 minutes. Craving junk food? Wait, distract yourself. Facing a boring task? Promise to just work on it for 10 minutes. You'll probably keep going once you start. Here's the playbook. First, pause and take 10 deep seconds. Then start your 10-minute timer. Use that time to stretch, walk, journal, or just breathe. When the timer ends, ask, do I really still want this? If the urge comes back, even after 10 minutes, that's totally okay. Notice it without judgment. Sometimes the craving fades faster the next time, or maybe you'll choose a healthier alternative now. Treat every episode as practice. You're not building perfection, you're building consistency. If you slip up, reflect, don't shame yourself. Now rapid fire quanda. Does 10 minutes really work? Yep, for most people. What if I'm stressed out? Use the same delay. It empowers you to choose, even under pressure. Still indulge sometimes? You're not failing. Awareness is the first win. Alright, here's your challenge. Pick just one craving or procrastination urge today, anything, and pause for 10 minutes. Log what happened. Try it again tomorrow. In 2 weeks, you'll feel a real shift. If you've ever wished you had more willpower, this tiny rule gives you more time to choose. Hit subscribe for more self-discipline hacks, and let me know in the comments, what temptation are you holding off today?